it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I'm sitting in the Audi A6 4G. This is a model that has been produced between 2010 and 2018. And what we have here is a car that came from New Zealand. So what customer obviously is experiencing is the map. As you can see, it's showing that it's in the water and all that. It's because it's not knowing where it is. It doesn't recognize the region. So you can have either water, you could show the that it's in the land that has no maps, roads and all that on it as well. And what this means is the car needs a region change in order to work in on the European continent, including obviously UK. And we offer that service. We offer region change, including the latest map updates as well. This car has the 3G system, so it's got a console with a touchpad here and all the well-known buttons. And we also do this for MIB systems and various others, MMI models, either Volkswagen or Audi, any of the cars. We offer the region change. Usually we do a lot of we work with a lot of dealers that buy cars in the UK and they export them to other regions. This car came to the UK, so it's the other way around, and obviously we're helping the customer to get the system operating in the UK. So I'll show you once we finish the end result. Right, the work is completed, and as you can see, the car now has the European maps. We've got the UK here and the rest of Europe as well. I'm going the wrong way around. There we go. So you can see, if I zoom out, you can see it's got the rest of the Europe as well. All the maps fully working, and obviously customers also benefits from the latest map update with this. So so it's got everything done and fully ready to operate in the UK or other European countries to drive around and enjoy the full working maps. If you've got a car that came from a different region, either America or Japan, New Zealand, Australia, and you don't have the maps fully working, or if you're thinking of shipping the car out from the UK to other regions, get in touch with us because we help with this. We offer the region change service with the maps, so that your system will fully work whenever the car lands. Yeah, get in touch with us, info@satnavsystems.com for more information. Thank you.